At Rootstory Academy, we want to support artists in their journey into the CG business. Want to learn some dope stuff? Then check out our promo courses. WooCash, a Blender ninja, will teach you how to make a short animated scene in Blender. Blender is sensational, and it's available for free. Tomek, who has been working on Rick and Morty in Canada, will reveal the secrets of character animation in Toon Boom Harmony.
Relax, you're gonna be a ringer. Come here.
Make your first game with Unreal Engine, guided by Carolina, who has been working on The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt and is currently designing more games at Fool's Theory Studio. Interested in Photoshop and graphic design? This course will be led by Machi, a graphic illusionist, and supported by Tomek, who has been working as a creative lead for Netflix Los Angeles. Want to learn After Effects by creating your first animatic? Yakub, an art director, and Matt, a filmmaker, will teach you visual storytelling and help you to take your first steps into film directing. We can offer you a creative partnership that is designed to help you reach your artistic and career goals. Let's go on a CG ride. Rootstory.academy.